Hi there, it's Anna at WTI. Do you have windows in your house? I bet you said yes. Well, then you need these smart blinds by Yoolax. They have changed my world. The thing that I love so much about these is you can put them on an automatic schedule. My family likes privacy at night, so they always would close the curtains. These automatically open at 7:45 every morning. So when I get out of bed and I walk into my living room and dining room, the morning light hits me. So nice. And watch this. Hey Google, close the dining room blinds. For it to work with Google, though, you do need a gateway. So that will be a separate purchase. Totally worth it, though, in my opinion. The other thing that is so cool about these is they are top down, bottom up. So if you have sun blinding you right in the middle of your window, but you still want the light to come in, you can make the top go down and the bottom go up to block just where the sun is hitting you. Isn't that cool? Or if you want sunlight, but you want complete privacy, you can just make the top go down. So you still have the top light coming in, but you have the bottom for privacy. Installation of these was not hard at all. I would recommend 2 people. These are outside mount, and the motor you can choose if you want it on the left or right. So I chose left because that's closest to the outlet, but you don't need these plugged in all the time. It's just so you can charge the motor. I have had these for about 3 weeks and it has gone down 1%. So that tells you how long a charge will last. So if you have a house with windows, I highly recommend these. They have changed our life. But that's just my point of view.